Mommy, are you gonna fall in the snow? Brinny. Oh, is that cold? Here, are you gonna put the carrot? You're gonna put the nose? You put the nose? No. No, it's not for eating. Pick the carrot. Come on. We're gonna put it on the nose. We're gonna put the nose right there. Right there.
Oh, easy. He's gonna fall.
There. Okay, he has a nose. Now we have to find some eyes. Are you cold? Are you cold?
I'm having fun, Brinny.
Uh-oh, she's down. Oh, are you really cold now?